Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Jex and you're watching the Jexer Vida. It's been a while since I uploaded my last video. I believe it was years back before the pandemic pa or during the pandemic pa, no? Like, ano ba? Lumipad ang aking team. Wala talagang team. Wala akong team, oo. Dahil ako po ay nagsosolo. You're watching a travel vlog featuring the beauty of Puerto Princesa, Palawan. First time ko dito sa Palawan, so let's see if tama ba yung aking mga expectations. We will discover during our first day ang beauty at ang hiwaga ng underground river. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Papunta na tayo sa underground river, so stay tuned. Hi guys, here we are dito pa rin sa Puerto Princesa, Palawan, Underground River. Ang daming tourists ngayon, especially it's a weekend. Ang daming gustong makapasok at makakita ng beauty sa loob. And according to my tour guide, yung 1.5 kilometers lamang ang allowed at permitted para sa mga tourists. Yung mas mahabang 4.3 kilometers, para lang yun sa mga researchers at kung sino mang alagad ng siyensya na kailangan magsiyasat sa loob ng underground. But according din sa tour guide, yung 1.5 kilometers na yun, enough na yun to make us amazed. Gusto mo yun? Gusto ko yun. Alam niyo guys, medyo high-tech na sila dito kasi we're going to wear this synchronous audio device. So dito namin pakikinggan yung parang guide while we're entering the cave. Kasi before, sabi nung tour guide, yung bangkero, siya din yung parang nagsasalita while he's paddling. That's very hard, especially madilim sa loob. Kudos sa organizers ng Kinezo na to.
Malapit na kami.
We're entering the underground river. Yay! See you guys later. Ang ganda. Katatapos lang nung tour ko sa underground river and indeed it was very magical. Hindi ko na-expect na ang haba pala niya sa loob. I just want to commend the organizers or the staff dahil dun sa ginawa nilang synchronous audio while hearing the audio. Nagsising talaga kung anong sinasabi dun sa audio then kung anong pinapakita nung paddler. So, kudos to the staff of Puerto Princesa Subterranean National Park. Good job!
Bakit po kailangan pumunta po dito sa underground river? So, hindi lang po dahil sa beautiful beaches po na matatagpuan po dito sa Palawan, but it is also the pride of Philippines and also Palawan po dahil it is included in yung 7 Wonders of Nature po. So, and also, it is part of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites.
Meanwhile,
Hi guys, so we're back here sa War from the underground river after satisfying our eyes. So the next agenda would be satisfying our tummy. So we're going to eat buffet style. Let's go! Good morning. So nandito pa rin tayo sa Puerto Princesa, second day ng ating tour. Today we're scheduled to do our Honda Bay Island hopping. So according to the tour guide, meron tayong tatlong islands na pupuntahan, ang Pambato, Luli, at yung Kauri Island. So i-enjoy natin yung snorkeling, and kanina nga pumunta kami sa parang snorkeling rental station. So this snorkeling gear is worth 150 pesos. So expect natin na mangingitim tayo for today's video. Ano na? Our first stop ay itong Pambato Reef. So we're going to do snorkeling here and fish feeding. So hindi naman daw masyadong high tide ngayon. Kaya na-expect natin daw sa snorkeling ay fish, of course, at yung corals. So, tara! Hi! Welcome to Puerto Princesa. Second island stop, itong Luli Island. At fun fact, kaya siya tinawag na Luli Island kasi lulubog itong part na ito pag high tide. At kapag low tide naman, lilitaw ang magandang sandbar dito sa part na ito. Right now, medyo somewhat in the middle siya kasi medyo soaked yung water. Kaya hindi siya masyadong na-highlight yung sandbar. But it's okay. Ang ganda pa din ng view. So still worth it. Ang Puerto Princesa is second to the largest city to Davao. At according dun sa tour guide, 70% ng Puerto Princesa is still conserved yung natural resources niya. So overall, nag-enjoy ba ako sa travel kong ito? Ang aking kasagutan ay, opo ate. Charot! Nandito na nga tayo sa last island stop natin, ang Kauri Island. So we're here to eat or lunch. Wala namang masyadong activities dito. Meron ditong beach volleyball area. But for water activities, swimming lang talaga siya. Init. Kaya for the apply tayo ng sunscreen from time to time. 30 minutes daw yung waiting dun sa food. So para siyang boodle style. So we still have time para mag-vlog ng very light vlogger yarn. Charot!
A few moments later.
Bakit nga ba tinawag na Kauri Island itong islang to sa Puerto Princesa? Well, Kuya Kid, ano na? Ha? Ay, wala si Kuya. Ay, wala daw si Kuya Kim dito. Ang Kauri ay isang type of shell na mayaman dito sa part na ito ng isla. Kaya in honor of that shell, ipinangalan ang islang ito. Ganon! And that concludes my island hopping here sa Puerto Princesa. My experience, I would say, it was great. Charot! It's like stepping on a living postcard. Gusto mo yun? From the powdery sand to crystal clear waters. Ang ganda. So it's a must for you to try and visit Puerto. Good evening everyone. Tonight we're scheduled to do the firefly watching here at the Baywalk later on. i-transfer tayo sa isang boat to get to the site wherein nakikita natin yung fireflies at night. We'll get amazed again by the beauty of nature. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Hi guys! Kakatapos lang ng firefly watching. Sorry, hindi ako nakapag-video kasi ang dilim tsaka bawal maingay. So hindi tayo nakapag-vlog doon, but it was indeed magical and enchanted experience. So it's really a must-try. Now we're walking the streets of Baywalk. Maraming mga restaurants. I'm actually looking for a souvenir shop kasi I want to buy a shirt for tomorrow's city tour. So ayun guys. Hello guys, nandito tayo sa public market ng Puerto Princesa. Since nagpapabili yung nanay ka ng tuyo, bibili tayo ng sampasalubong. So let's go.
Pili lang ito.
Magkano yung tuyo nyo, ma'am? Nandito tayo sa bilihan ng tuyo. So nakabili tayo ng bitis at nung tamban for just a very low price, and kasoy as well. So I'm so happy kahit di ako nakain yan. So binabalot ni ate ng packaging tape para hindi tayo harangin sa airport. Hindi naman tayo bumibili ng mga pasalubong na t-shirts, then souvenirs for my family and colleagues. Colleagues yarn. Mura dito sa bandang may palengke ng Puerto Princesa Public Market. Kaya dito ko napiling mamili. Wow! Thank you for watching this far sa aking vlog. We're going to have our last lunch here at Haim Chicken, still in Puerto Princesa. And we ordered their specialties, Haim leg, and special halo-halo. So tara, kain tayo! So after ng lunch natin, still, join me as we explore the city of Puerto Princesa. Tara! Start ang ating city tour dito sa Mitras Ranch, trying their activities like the giant slide. We will conquer our fears here today, so let's go!
A few moments later.
Baba? So last part na ng ating activity dito sa Mitras Ranch, at we're going to try their zip line. So let's go. Oh my god. 1, 2. Nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Baker's Hill. So it's like a park with pastries and bread na pwede kang bumili pampasalubong. Siguradong mag-i-enjoy ang mga chikiting nyo dito dahil may mga animation, character statues, may playground din sila. Alam mo ba na may 1,780 islands ang Palawan at 3 lang talaga yung napuntahan ko for this travel. So, I have an excuse para balik-balikan ang lugar na ito. Sana kayo din, no? Oo. Charot! So update lang guys, ito pala yung Cowrie Shell. So dito pinangalan yung Cowrie Island. Unfortunately, we tried na maghanap dun sa mismong isla. But according to the tour guide, marami din kumukuha ng mga shells doon kaya naubos na. Just in front ng Plaza Cuartel ay yung church nila. So, we'll pay visit. Bago matapos ang video na ito, shout out pala sa aking mga co-workmates. Sina Jana, EJ, Kuya Vern, Rolly, may EL Adam, and Boss Carla. Yahoo! Shout out kayo kahit hindi nyo naman kayo nagpaka-shout out. At doon na nga nagtatapos ang ating travel dito sa Puerto Princesa. Ang ating experience, it was just great and fun. This is actually my first solo travel and ulit-ulitin ko talaga since I found liberty and freedom of choosing for my own. Charot! Ano pong highlight nitong travel experience ko na ito? Well, actually, lahat. Wala ko itulak kabigan from the underground river, the island hopping in Honda Bay, yung enchanted firefly meetup. Meetup? Ano to? Charot! And yung city tour. Everything kailangan ng puntahan talaga. Thank you for watching the video. At kung nag-enjoy ka sa video na ito, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And click nyo rin yung notification bell kung hindi naman masyadong nakakaperwisyo o nakakaabala sa'yo. O ikaw yung ikaw talaga. So this has been your travel buddy Jex, and you just watched the Jex Revida here. Puerto Princesa. Bye!